my channel. So this is William Casa-alan, guys. So ang vlog ko ngayon, guys, is kung paano pag-aralan yung tapado, yung long stick. This is a form of Filipino martial arts. The different only is this a long stick. The harness here, they are going to use the 30 inches, but the long stick is this is 40 inches. So the advantage is it has been strike by power. So this is a powerful strike. Modified Tapado, guys, is starts with the 2 strikes. The foundations of the Modified Tapado is it has only 2 strike, the uno and then the dos. How to deliver the uno? Okay. Or how to deliver the Modified Tapado? How to hold this long stick, because this is held by 2 hands. This one, the 1 inch and then the 2 inch. This one. From here, then here, here. And the stance is it is only the one shoulder level. This is the shoulder, so the stance is 1 1/2. So and then just add only half, and then just forward. So this is the stance. This is the position of the Modified Tapado. Okay. Hold like this one and this one. The opposite of the left hand is your right hand. How to hold? Right. Then this one. And position. The honor strike is it is 12 o'clock strike from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upon the impact, guys. Upon the impact, just lift it back to your position. Okay? You didn't need to lift the weight of the stick, but just only follow the impact. You're going to hold one and then just wait for the impact as well. It has the impact. So upon the impact, just lift it and then go to the right position. This one. This was the impact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is what we call the uno strike. Uno strike. Then we're going to have a forward position, so just do like this. Okay, from the position, paano strike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay guys, that is the uno strike. And then let's go to the do strike. Where it came from. How to strike the do strike. Okay. If the position of the strike, the uno strike is this one. And then the position is the dos this one. Uno and then dos. Uno, then dos. So if you're going to strike the uno back to the proper position, and then the dos is just strike back to the position. Okay? The uno strike and then the dos strike. So how to go back to the position of the dos strike? Okay, from your shoulder leader. So strike it and then back horizontally. Like the uno is you're going to strike back to the proper position vertically. Unlike the horizontal, unlike the dos position is just strike and then go back to the right position by doing like this horizontally. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is the do strike. Okay guys, so let's do it from the uno and then the do strike. Okay, uno, dos, uno. You're going to strike back to the position. Don't wait there, but just put it here. Okay, for the preparation. So if you're going to strike, you need to go back for the preparation. That is one. Okay. So they're going to First, let's do this. Thanks for watching this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para ma-update kayo for my next video. Bye! See you for my next vlog. Bye.